Open-ended poll. What is it? Simply one question, one answer. It could be an image, text, or a link. Get an open-ended feedback on your idea, product, or design. Ask your question, get constructive criticism or feedback. Now, who is this for? Literally can be helpful to anyone. Entrepreneurs, designers, developers. When should you use it? Early validation of a specific idea, product concept. Would you buy this? How appealing from 1 to 10 this is? What do you think about this color? Find new ideas and opportunities. For example, I like to ask, let's say this is a garlic test product. I like to ask a question. If you would buy this product, if you would be looking for a garlic press on Amazon, what questions and concerns you would have beside review and price. I'm uploading the image if it's needed, of course. In this case, select the audience, be it general or customized, let's say females. I'm confirming it. Pay and launch. I can save by sharing publicly in the gallery. It depends on the size of the audience. So for 50, it's $2.50. So pay and launch. You're good to go. You can use your balance if you have, or you pay with the card. That's it. Simple as it is.